the king, me surround them. If them no space for excuses, when a woman just probably I love you so much, Bullets. I love you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming and supporting comedy. Akutte Omukazi. Welcome back to the real life. Thank you, Mr. President. I know it was a bit too long, but thank you. At last, the night economy is back. It is back, and it is time to start the real thing. Put your hands together for Muhanji, ladies and gentlemen. He has kept the comedy radar clearly moving. But I really said, let me support the comedy, because this is what keeps people more than even concerts. So put your hands again for Muhanji. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Dr. Jose Chameleon is in the house. Sometimes there's a lot of pride in us. Sometimes Jose Babeda stage in Gaimba and I'm in the crowd to watch, because I keep checking. One way to say, Joseph, thank you for coming to watch your brother. It makes me proud. Blessings, respect, Kanamau King Selassie. I say, we say, Gargamel and Leon Island crew. How we take over. Nobody touch, nobody contest, nobody members. Fire on! I will love you every day. Hey. Reggae! I've flown around the world a million times and seen a lot of places and faces, but I'm always back to you. For real! My money and my mind and anything. Ladies by my side each and every day, but I'm always back to you. Back to my people. Loving all the times I'm around you. Girl, you got me feeling like starting a new life. Even when I leave, I can see your answer in my own. It's crazy how I feel about you. Hey, it's crazy how I feel about you. Hey, let me take you back to my hometown, girl. Every day I dream about a brand new world. You know. Let's sing. Let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I dream about a brand new world. You know how I feel. I will love you every day. Hey, I will love you every day. Hey. For your friend. It's intimate, girl. I had a chance to be the kind of man that you wanna take, so I'm coming back for you. Alright, it doesn't matter where I go, I'm already yours. Everybody else, I don't wanna know, cause it all comes down to you. Loving all the times I'm around you, girl, you got me feeling like starting that new life. Even when I leave, I can see your eyes every day, my own girl. Crazy how I feel about it. Yeah, it's crazy how. Let's go! Let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I dream about a brand new world. You know how I feel. Let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I dream about a brand new world. You know how I feel. I will love you every day. Hey, I will love you every day. Hey, I will love you every day. I will love you every day. DJ Liquor, I will love you every day. Well, let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I think about a brand new world. You know how I feel. Well, let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I think about a brand new world. You know how I feel. Well, let me take you down to my hometown, girl. Every day I think about a brand new world. You know how I feel. Well, let me take you down. You know, there's nothing beautiful as growing old with experience in what you do. Mundaba wano ne Dr. Jose Chameleone. Teri chivulu chinyuma ng'ekyo. Naye ke tunabakwatako erugogo mu bbato. Omusawo wetuulire. Omusawo chapter yagiguddewo officially. N'agamba yeetaaga omusajja w'ekiwaatule erugogo. Naye nasabye ekintu kimu. Obudde bulina okukya paka ku makya ssaawa egi. Ssaawa ki? I just enjoy music. The older these guys become, the sweeter. Nsiba mpuliza kayimba ka Joseph. Akapya. The reason is because girl, I love you today, Mama singer, baby. Baba Tina, girl, I love you today, Mama singer, baby. Baba singer, baby. Nadonna Genda, dear, baby cola. I want you to listen to the voice and execution. Later on, you'll understand why our songs take way longer when we release them. And that's where my respect is, Doctor. Respect kanama. Ovanga ku MJ nga ali ku stage nga ne Jeza tuddawo. Ovanga Jeza ali ku stage nga ne MJ ali awo. Respect. Can I sample something new? Can I sample something new? Just listen. Can I sample another one? We are going close in the future. We are gonna make a movie from a dream. Baby, when you find me, I'll get on. Hey, hey, fine girl, when the back of my girl, go is a winner. Yeah. Loving Nelly Jam, or Dora Kira, go Queen Catalina. Yeah. Sagala, you're Kulinda, if you could walk a Silla, Kukulinga, baby. Ontade kuninga zelichimuli chondo bango utaringa baby. Pull it. You may hold my hand for a while, but I'll hold your heart forever. I need you like a heartbeat needs a beat, running on the beat. Girl, you make it easy to fall in love. Sijajo, Dr. Jose Chameleone, come over. Come over. Obadde nkulaba wa Maria Kisente. Nentegeera nti kati ye Kinshasa. I just want you to do just one favor for me. Just one. No one. Just kukuba mu bajita.
Kugogola.
A cappella.
Okay.
Oh, that beautiful song.
Before I start, Moses, ya crowd enetegere nti nga tujjeko abantu libayimbi. I love you, my brother, Chechimanyi.
I do.
Nsiba nkikugamba, nga nkigamba gwe, but I want these people to be witnesses.
That's true.
I love you, Moses. Nnyo, oli kyali wange.
Thank you.
Era nze saga badde okuwumbuuza. Mbu lwaki nkolagana naawe. Bya music byeri. You're my brother, you're my big brother, ate nkwagala nnyo. Mamizu.
For real.
Singa tabadde gwa kapera mbadde sigireeta. Yeah? Oye, tulina omukago gwaffe tokimanyi muzeeye?
I know.
Mamizu for you. Lwaki tosooka nokyondabako nga tonagenda omukwano ogunsuseeko ddiya amaaso gamyuse faanagana ng'aliko ekikoola gy'ojambe gwayongeza giya akataala koolesa okumbye nga kazimira lwaki todda n'oyongeramu effuta olaba ne lwola gy'olaze Moses awunga ng'ava emmuge yeetisse suwa because he love you yeah, and you know forever onalibawo baby lwaki todda ne nkulabako
forever. One love. Happy New Year. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the evening. We'll be here Big up my DJ. Thank you. I love you. Blessings. Kanama King Selassie. And thank you to all the DJs and friends of mine who support. And thank you for loving Uganda music. And guys, please go and support the concerts. Let's rejuvenate the pockets of the singers.